Hello everyone, welcome to PUC Online Classroom. Today I am going to finish Unit 16, alright? And the first activity that I'm going to continue is about grammar focus, verb plus infinitive. Okay, so as you can see right here, the question comes up with be going to, what are you going to do this year? So it's about asking you for plan, alright, in the future. So you can answer to this question in many ways, as you can see right here. You can use the same tense or same grammar point, which is about be going to. You can say I'm going or I'm not going to take a trip to the Caribbean, all right? Or if you don't want to talk about be going to, you can use plan to. All right, you can say I plan to take the guitar lessons. So you see that we also use plan to talk about future. That's not all. We also have want. So you can say, I want to learn to dance. So we have verb plus infinitive, just like want to learn, plan to take, just an example. All right. So beside plan, want, be going to, we have three more. So we have hope to get, hope to, let's say, and would like to, and would love to. All right. So you can say, I hope to get a new job, I like to travel, and I love to play. All right, so these are the responses that you can answer with something like plan. All right, your future plan. Okay, so when you want to talk about future plan, especially answering the questions or whatever you want to talk about your own future plans, you can use all of this grammar points. So we can use be going to, plan to, want to, hope to, would like to, and would love to. Okay, so these are ways that you can use to describe about your future plan. Okay, so I think it's not really hard to understand because this is about only one objective, which is about future plan. So we can use all of them to describe that. And so let's try exercise A all together right here. Complete these statements so that they are true for you. Use verb plus infinitive as shown in the grammar box. Then add two more statements for your own. Okay, if you want to add two more, that's okay, but if you don't, that's fine. Okay, so what do you think about traveling abroad? Well, you can come up with I plan to, or I want to, or I'm going to, I like to, things like that. All right, you can have the negative one. You can say I don't want. Okay, I don't plan. I let's say I'm not going. Okay, things like this. I live with my parents. Maybe you said I would love to live with my parents, or I would like to live with my parents, things like that. So the next is get married, have a lot of children, make a lot of money, become famous, buy a sports car, learn another language. So these are maybe your future plans that you want to achieve, that you want to have, all right, in the future. Okay, so that you can use whatever grammar points right here, everyone, so you can come up with positive or negative with this kind of ideas given. All right, and then you can try number 9, 10 with your own ideas, doesn't matter. Okay, all right, so let's go on to next. We're not going to focus on number 8, 9, 10. We don't have to. Number 11 is travel plans. It's about writing and it's about group work, so we don't need to focus on that either. So let's go to the last activity, which is about reading. So a goal accomplished. So accomplished means achieved. All right, you succeeded. So it's just like a goal that you succeeded. The goal that you achieve in life. All right. So what you're going to do in this activity, everyone, is about to read the article. What is it about? Check the correct answer. Okay. So what do you think about this text? Do you think that this text is for students in the Netherlands? Netherlands means in Holland. So now they should use the word Netherlands instead of using Holland. But as you can see right here, we have the word Dutch. Probably you know what it is, right? An important invention, or vacations near the ocean. So in order to find out the right title, so you need to read the text. Okay, once you finish reading the text, you can guess the answer, which one is the right one among these three. Okay, and when you finish the first part A, then you can go on to part B. Who do you think this article was written for? Choose the correct answer. Do you think that this text is for someone like me or like you or like whom? Okay, so maybe you can just go to this reading and then you will see exactly what the text is written or was written for. And when you finish part B, I'd like you to go to part C as well, read the article and answer the questions. So we have 5 questions right here. So I'd like you to go to the text and try to get the answer from the text in order to answer to these questions. Okay, so the answers are in the text. So don't worry with this exercise, I will give you all the answers. Alright, so I think that's it for today, and if you have questions, you can leave me questions in our Telegram group chat and I will answer to your question as soon as I see that. Alright, thank you so much everyone. Goodbye.